FlowAI, the tool that transforms workflow creation. FlowAI uses React Flow to design diagrams with nodes and tasks. Each node represents an action or step your workflow needs to perform. Inside each node, you can assign a task or prong to the artificial intelligence. You only need to execute your workflow to get results. From there, you can expand it and add more tasks as needed. For example, if you already have the basic topics to learn JavaScript, you could add another node. In that node, you could ask it to create a study schedule based on the previous results. The interesting thing about this application is its smart cache. Your workflow will only execute where there are changes, whether it's a change in the prong, a new node, or a main node with several subnodes. How does it work? FlowAI uses a basic topological sorting algorithm. This means that main or parent ideas are processed before secondary or child ideas. The system ensures a logical and coherent sequence in the AI's responses. For example, if you change the main node from Learn JavaScript to Learn TypeScript, all the nodes in the workflow will run again. This allows you to create repetitive workflows. Make a change in one idea and get results that are adjusted but similar to the previous ones. Flexibility and functionality. You can add as many nodes or tasks as you need. Each task runs sequentially, allowing you to adjust them according to access limits and the requirements of your application. Plus, you have the option to save your workflows, download the diagrams, reload them back into the application. Why FlowAI? It's an excellent tool for content creation and task automation. It's fully documented in both Spanish and English, making it accessible to a wide range of developers. FlowAI will be available on my page in the project section. I'll also leave a link in the description if you're interested in using it for your future developments. Explore FlowAI and take your workflows to the next level.